Welcome friends. So in this video we are going to see the basic tutorial of Solidworks. This is the second video which I'm going to make it for the Solidworks, and we are going to use the extrude cut option, fillet option, cell option in this. We are going to make a small part which can be said as a basic part. So let's start. So first of all you need a sketch. You need to go for a sketch. Click on the sketch option. There are three planes. We are going for top plane, top view. Now we are going to make a rectangle. So for that, clicking on this rectangle option, I'm going to click the first left mouse button and then dragging the mouse and then again clicking the left mouse button to make it the rectangle and then clicking on the OK button. Now you can modify the dimension of the rectangle from this start dimension, clicking on this line, and let's say this is 150 mm and this is 50 mm. So you have made a rectangle and it's done. Now we have to make this rectangle as a 3D box, so we have to extrude it, and this is only a line, this is not a surface, so you can't make a fillet directly here. So if you go for features, you can't make the fillet here. So let extrude this rectangle. So going for features, extrude boss or base. The default thickness is 10 mm. We are going to make it 50 and clicking on this OK button. So we have extruded the rectangle. So we have length 150, thickness 150, and the width as 150. If you click on this option, it is zoom to fit. You get your rectangle box into the fit position of your screen. Now we have to make the fillet here. So let's first go for this hidden lines visible, so that you can see the lines which are hidden behind the box. You can see it clearly. Then we have to go for fillet option. Let's say the radius of the fillet is 3 mm, and we have to keep the selection for the edges. So I'm selecting the edges, and then I'm going to click on the right button. But now here, as you can see, I have made this is also a fillet. So I have done a mistake. So how to overcome your mistake? You can't make it corner wise, like you have to let it whole, like so you have to do it again. And the best way is that if you're doing mistakes, so just go for save option and save this part, like rectangle track 1 3D. So we have done this. Now we are going to make it a fillet again, 3 mm, and then choosing precisely the edges which we want to make curve once, and then done. So this is a line view of the solid model. Clicking on this, we are getting the seeded model. So we have done this. Now we have to make a cell. So to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going for features, cell option, and this is the thickness. Let's say 8 mm thickness from these edges. And we have to select the face, selecting this one, and so as you can see, we have made the cell like a hollow box. So if you click the scroll button of your mouse, just click it and hold it, and if you drag your mouse, you will see like this view. So we have done till this. Now save it. If you match it up, then it will be good. If you save the the program or the workspace. Now we have to make holes here. So we are going to make 3 holes. 1, 2 and 3. So how to do that? Let's go for sketch. Going for sketch, selecting the plane, then circle. You can select this Z, and then you can make the circle here. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now I'm just confirming that this circle should be on this edge or on this face. So now we want to extrude this circle throughout the the width of the rectangle box. So do that. Let's first of all make the dimensions of the circles correct. So clicking on this one on the circumference, and then drag on smart dimension, and then on the circumference. Why it's not coming? Okay, so clicking if you have to click on the circumference of the circle, then drag it. Let's say it is 15 mm. Same for this, and for this it should be, let's say, 10 mm. Okay, now we want to make this circle at the center of this thickness, or say width, and 20 mm from this edge. So for to get the dimension, select on the center of the circle, and then the edge from where you want the dimension. So from the outer edge we want a dimension, it is 25.94. Let's make it 25. The same has been done for this circle. First click on the center of the circle, then the edge, and then make it 25. Now we have done this, and let's say this is 150. 150 minus 50, so let's say this and this distance will be 50. It's 48. Make it 50. Okay, now for this it has to be in the center of this thickness, which is 50. Let's check it out at what height it is there. From the top edge it is 20. Make it 25. Same with this circle. First clicking on the center of the circle, then the top edge. Make it 25. Now for this, let's make it at 10 mm. So we have done with the circles. Now we have to extrude it thoroughly from the thickness. So what we can do, go for features, extruded cut. Now as you can see, it is going to make extruded cut here. Okay, if you say through all, then it's going to be through all. Okay, sketch plane, just click on this one. So you have made a extruded cut on this box. So going for the isometric view, and for this one, so you have made this part. We have used fillet option here, cell option, and extruded cut. We have extruded the rectangle, and we have made this part. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like it, so thumbs up for the video, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching the video.